Introducing the Red Wolf Big 5 Challenge, inspired by the Eric Cortina's Blackjack Challenge. At 400 meters, 437 yards, you start off with a 5-shot group. Then engage the steel targets with a 2-minute time limit, starting with the elephant at 11 inches for 1 point, the lion at 9 inches for 2 points, the buffalo at 7.5 inches for 3 points, the leopard at 6 inches for 4 points, and the rhino at 5 inches for 5 points, and then the ultimate 2x2 inch square that equals a blackjack. You can keep shooting to the 2x2 inch for additional blackjacks if ammo allows. Your final group size determines your score. The first rifle featuring in today's challenge is chambered in a .308 Winchester. It has a Lyttelton RSA single feed action and a Ferlach barrel. It's coupled with an old Bisley wooden stock for character and a custom silencer in the front. On the top it has an AKRA Legacy scope. For ammunition, it's running PMP brass S335 powder and Berger Fullbore 155 grain bullets, which is traveling at about 2,870 feet per second.
Right, that 10 shots starting from left to right. You have 2 minutes. You can start at the beep.
Shooter, ready? Stand by.
Wrong target. Impact. Impact. Time. Klaar.
The second rifle featuring in today's challenge is a .308 Winchester. It has a K98 Mauser action and a preferred barrel at 26 inches. It has a custom MG rifle stock on it, and at the top a Vortex Diamondback Tactical scope. In the front, APW Warbird suppressor. For ammunition, he's running PMP brass S335 powder and Sierra 150 grain bullets, which is traveling at about 2,930 feet per second.
Okay, Louis. 10 shots, 2 minutes, starting from left to right. You can start at the beep.
Shooter, ready? Stand by.
Ah, skiet dit. Een raak. Ja, met hom maar kansen.
Impact. Time. Impact. Our next two contestants for today was my father and Louis. Louis, my stepdad. They both shot. The age counts a little bit against them, but they did well. I hope you guys enjoyed the shoot, and I hope you guys would want to come do it again. What was your thoughts on it, and what do you think about the challenge?
Thank you for a very nice experience. Me and Louis will definitely come back next time and show you how to do it.
Perfect. Thank you so much. It would be lovely to have you guys again here. With the Mirage today, we had a little bit of difficulties. Luckily, the wind wasn't too bad, but I think we did well, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Louis. Okay, Opa.
Okay.
All right.
A rhino's horn is worth nothing on the animal, but a living rhino is priceless to our planet. With every view, with every share, and every subscription, it helps us continue raising awareness for conservation. Join us in making a difference. Heed the call, and until next time, stay wild.
Ja, wat. Met hom maar kansen.
Ik ga dan net. Oké. Julle volg net wat ek sê.
Nee, maar jy klaar, jy hoor wat my antwoord, so jy moet daar volgens 'n vraag vra.
Alright.
Hierdie ding asseblief. 412299.
Dis lank, wag vir dit.
Ek weet.